Ranking of chiropractor crack moments.
Gonna feel a little pop. Okay, good. And breathe. Just relax, take a deep breath. Good.
You will laugh at the result.
Wow, doctor.
This is already gay.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a little pressure now, sir. It's alright, it's perfectly natural.
That was you.
Yeah, I know, but it's still perfectly natural.
Bruh.
You can't believe what he's doing.
All right, John, same as before. Deep breath in for me. And let it go. Here comes the board.
Yeah.
Good.